Hello and welcome to this vlog. We're going to do another unboxing today. This one is quite different because we've never done a mystery minifigure unboxing from Lego. So here we've got a complete box from the Muppets. So I'm a big Muppet fan and I wanted to know how my chances would be if I get a complete set because I really want it. So there are 36 bags in here and they're $3.99 each. So there's an extra challenge in here. So Natasja already tried to feel the baggies to see what's inside. I don't know. For this one it says Swedish Chef. Of course I'm not really sure because I'm not gonna feel it. I'm just gonna trust Natasja completely. So are we going to start this challenge, Natasja? Yes. There we go. We got a mini can with me as well. And there we go. First package. So I'm going to place it right here so I can't see it. So that's the first one. It says Dr. Honeydew. So this is the thingy. Okay, we're gonna do this. Let me see if you're right. Oh, just make it a bit bigger. There we go. And are you right, Natasja? Maybe you are, maybe you aren't. So this is the pamphlet with everything, the whole set. Okay, so we have this. I'm going to zoom in on it. So here we've got the little stand. So every Lego piece has this stand, so I'm not gonna show them every time. So we're going to assemble. Oh. So here we have his little face. There we go. And he's going to hold his little potion. What? There you go.
Natasja is correct.
Natasja is correct, yes. So she found the doctor. So there we go. You want to hold it? Okay, Carlo's walking away with the doctor. But Natasja was completely right. I'm going to show it to the mini cam right there. Look at it. I love you, little one, but we want to do the unboxing. I love you. Shoo. Come on, just a little butt right there. Okay, so the first one is the doctor. So you're right, Natasja. Next one. I'm not gonna look at it. I'm just gonna show you guys. I don't know where it is though. Is it over? Where is it? This? You don't have to read it. I just don't want to know it yet. So there we go. I think this is Rolf. Not sure yet. Although, what can you really know about? Where can you go wrong with? That's what I wanted to say. So here we have his body. I'm going to put him right here. Look at that. And oh yes, notes with him. Look, he's going to. What are you going to play anyways? Okay, just gonna show it right here. This is what he's going to play for us. It's too small for me to read right now, so you can hold it. Oh, I'm so sorry. You can hold it. And I think this is supposed to... Oh, we can have two faces. This is a sleeping face. And here we have just a stone face. Do this. So, I'm going to place it on this mantelpiece. There we go. And of course, he has hair. There we go.
Shakespeare.
Maybe. And Mozart. I don't
think
know.
it's Shakespeare and he's doing a play.
Can't remember. So, let me see if we can put you in here for real quick. Nope. We cannot. There's no room. Rolf, if you just sit like this, then there is room. There we go. I actually didn't like this character as a child because he reminded me of Tommy from Sesame Street, the Dutch Sesame Street, and I was like, who the heck are you? And why are you included in the Muppets and why are you not on Sesame Street? I was like dumbfounded on that. But this is the inspiration for Tommy. And I'm going to put him next to the doctor. There we go. Next one. Oh wait, you were right though. It was Rolf. I've got to say that. There we go. Next one. Yes. Let me see where the sticker is. The sticker is over here. Okay, I can't. There we go. Okay.
I should have given another name.
What?
I should have given the package another name.
Okay.
You know.
I'm going to be happy.
I don't know.
Oh! Oh! Wait, I'm gonna make a joke when I assembled him, sorry. Not
you know what I
reassembled.
mean?
Yes, I know what you mean, because I cannot really look normal. I can't really... Oh, oops.
I can have a look at this character at the same time.
No.
The same.
Oh god. Okay. So this, ladies and gentlemen, is not Beaker. This is Amber. My dog got stung by a bee. So, oh god, I didn't want to make the joke, but I've gone anyways, because we're on Johnny's side. So, oh, I made a mistake there. Yes, this. I don't know what hand should hold this, so I'm just gonna do it like this. Oh, sorry. So there's Amber. Yes. We're going to put him next to the doctor.
Now he's Beaker again.
Yeah, now he's Beaker again, yes. There we go. And I'm gonna see if you're right.
Yes, because I was laughing my ass off before you open it.
Yeah, I don't want to see it first, you know? I don't want to, because then I already know. Next one. Yes? I swear you, if there isn't a Kermit in it, I'm going to be very, 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 very unhappy.
I think there's 3 in it.
I wanted to say Kermit because it's Kermit.
But if I am correct, there are 3 Kermits in this box.
Okay, if you are correct. Ooh. We've got Fuzzy. Okay, Fuzzy, what's happening over here? Okay. We got this. I think that's a pole. Huh? Okay. Some assembly required, I guess. I don't know how large that thing is going to be. Oh, Fuzzy is very spoiled. He has 2 microphones. Not 1, no, 2 microphones. But the funny part is only 1 pole. And he has a banana.
I think it's a mistake.
Mistake? That they put 2 in there? I don't know. Weird. Okay, so this is your body. And your face. Look at him. Waka waka.
Why does he have a banana?
He has a banana because he makes banana jokes. There we go, holding his banana. And I guess that little pole has to stand right here. Oh. Sort of. Yes. It's a bit crooked now, but... Yes, he even has a backside, look. So cute. Let's show the minican.
The Lego can.
Yes. Oh, this is so cute. Sorry. I'm going to see it as well. There we go. Should I put him next to Rolf? Oh wait, that's going to clash. There we go. You can stand next to Amber. Okay, let's see if you were right. see. Next up.
I have 4 out of 4. I have 4 out of 4.
You have 4 out of 4 characters already. Okay. I'm not gonna look at this. Just gonna put a little this. Okay. Sorry for that noise. Okay, let's see. Well, that's a meme by itself, isn't it? It's a grumpy old dude. I've got his name. It's either...
Statler.
Yeah, that's what I want to say. I want to say it's either Statler or the other one. So, he's got a computer. I thought you were too old for that. Guess you aren't. Good. He's got a little laptop.
You see, starting with scooter.
You know what's weird about this set? Not this set, like the whole set, is that there's no scooter Muppet. So I was like, huh? Anyways, we're going to show the Lego cam, the little Muppet. There we go. Very cute. And, well, we're going to assemble the grumpy old dude. Oh my god, his face. That's a cool Lego figure, you know? It's like legit. Let me see. Can you hold the laptop? I think you can because I saw you doing that. So, although, just hold it with your hand, with your little hand. There we go. Yeah. It's upside down now, but I don't know. Maybe like this. If I do it like this, he's looking by himself. Oh, anyways. There we have grumpy old man number 1. Statler. Statler can stand next to the mic. You know, I forgot to put away the extra microphone. Shall we go to see if you were right? Statler. Okay. So I haven't really showed the pamphlets that's in here. I was looking at them, I was like, when I saw Scooter, I knew Scooter wasn't in there beforehand, but I was like, I never showed you what it looks like. So, these are all the 12 figures. So we already have Rolf, the professor, Amber Heard, sorry, we got Fuzzy, and of course Statler already. So, I'm going to put it right here. Next. Next. Is this something cool? Okay. I don't want to see it. I'm just going to feel what I'm looking at. I'm going to put it right here on the other sticker, I guess. And then just do this. Yeah. Okay. Oh. So we have, of course, a stand. We have her little book. I think she has her own magazine. Look at it. I don't have my own magazine. She does. Yes. Now I'm going to show it to the Lego cam. There we go. And put her right here. Oh, she's so detailed. Look at her hair. Well, don't know if you can really look at it, but I'm doing it. I'm assembling her. It's so cute. She's a little heart. She even has little shoes on. It's really cute. And you can hold your magazine. Let me see how you would hold this. There she is. She also is detailed on the back side, which is very cool because if you're going to display this piece, you can see it from every angle. And I'm going to show it to the Lego cam. Very cute. You can stand next to, well, not really, because if we have the other old dude, the two can't be separated. So I'm going to stand right there. And I'm gonna see if you were right. So wasn't Natasja right? Was you right? Nope. Were you right? Okay, there we go. What does it say, Miss Piggy? So, you were right. Okay. Just gonna put these right here. And put it over there. Fuzzy can stand there. And there we go. Next one is something. I'm feeling for.
You can just open it back and don't look at the sticker.
I don't know if I can. Oh my god! Look at that. That's another.
Is it our first double?
Professor, that's our first double. Yeah. And you were right, by the way. You were right. So I'm going to quickly assemble him like this. I don't know if it was... There we go. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is our first double. So, we're 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 pieces in. We got one double. And we've got a few to go. Oh shit, I'm looking... I didn't really see it. I guess I almost did. And I guess it's him.
It's the one.
It's the one golden ticket.
Hoping.
Hoping. I don't know. I just thought. So I'm like, could be anyone with a T. Look at it. Oh, I see it. I said like a crazy squeaking person.
You look like you sound like a squeaky elf.
Yeah. There we are. Look at that. When I was at the Lego store, I was like, this set won't be complete without little Kermit. So we need him for the whole set, you know? Otherwise, there's no Muppets without Kermit. Okay, so we have his little rainbow. Okay, you can hold it. Just, Kermit, just hold it so I can show the viewers. Anyways, come on. This Kermit doesn't want to hold the rainbow.
He doesn't want to do a rainbow connection.
No. He doesn't connect to the rainbow. It's a banjo. Look at... I'm sorry.
Kermit is not nice to you.
No! If there's another one, I'm going to get that one. Because you're not being nice.
Maybe I don't want to be with you.
Okay. Okay. Are we going to be that way? Okay. Yes. Okay. Maybe I'm so happy I can't really hold him. Anyways, there we go.
Oh, he's so happy.
There are rainbows. Okay, I'm going to show you to the little camera.
If there's a short song, there are rainbows.
There we go. Look at him how happy he is. He's so happy that he's in this set. You can stand next to your girlfriend. Although, I'm not really sure they're still married. There's on Disney Plus there are many episodes and I don't know if they're still together. I need to find out. Okay, next one. Although, yeah. Okay, next one. Okay, I'm just gonna open it. Oh my god, the sea chicken. Look at that, sea chicken. Look at the chicken. Chicken is here. Married to Gonzo. I don't know.
Was that chicken?
Mm-hmm. Oh. Sorry. Just funny to me. So, there we go. There we got Mr. Gonzo. The amazing Gonzo with his chicken.
Yeah, I like why does he has a chicken? And now I'm thinking at the little video in Hollywood videos where they have a chicken.
The things you know. Anyways. I still hope that they won't cancel that ride though. You know? That's a good show. So, you can stand next to Kermit. There we go. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, Yes. Okay.
Do I have 10 out of 10?
Oh. It's cancel. I already saw that one, so I'm going for this one. There we go. Yes. I don't want to see a sticker. I'm gonna do this. Okay, I don't want to see a sticker. Okay. So that's Janice's head. The other parts of Janice don't want to get. Come on. There we go. So that's just the. Okay, there we go. So if you want pamphlets, there they are. Oh, wait, I'm missing a part. It's supposed to have it. There it is. Okay.
You almost threw out the guitar.
Almost. Ooh.
That's bad.
Oh no. That's so wrong. Your hair looks like French fries. I'm sorry. There we go. And put her on your stand. There she is. With her little hat and her little guitar.
I don't remember.
She's that hippie. The hippie Muppet. The hippie Muppets. Yes, that band with the other hippie Muppets. And of course you got Animal. Which I also hope is in this set. So, Janice, we're going to put you next to Rolf. Oh, wait. Me again. There we go. Okay, next up is this one. You were looking at it like, Oh, that's fussy. I don't even have to. Why do you have an extra mic? You won't answer that.
I don't know, Samantha.
That's not how fussy it sounds.
I don't know, because I feel very special.
Waka waka. I'm very special. So we give him this banana really quick. So we can just go on with the next package. There we go, there's your little banana. Just gonna put you right here, so that's our second double. So, there we go. His banana is different though. His banana is placed that way, because that's fine. Okay, next up is going to be this one. Natasja's already judging me, like, just give me the look. Also a double.
No, it's not.
Oh, what's it? I almost saw the sticker, so I was like,
Is it a little guy?
it's a well, how do you know? It's just his legs. I'm just trying to get it out of the package, but not seeing the sticker. Come on. He's just this old dude. He wants to stay there. He's like, I'm not doing this. You're so stupid. You just.
Why are you buying like a bag? Why?
I don't know. What is this? Oh, it's a cup of tea. A coffee. Wiggy, 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 wiggy. There we go. Oh, that's cute. That's Chip. Oh wait, wrong franchise. But he has two. So you can share a cup of coffee, a cup of tea with the old man. So
That's why it was so hard. I'm like, okay, he has a cup of tea, but why do I feel like 2 cups of tea?
yeah, now you know.
Yeah, now I know.
Got extras. So this is a sign that tells the audience he's like very sleepy. So here we have his pants. His head is also very detailed like the other one. Oh my gosh, that was a very, very strong one. There we go. We're going to put you on here like this. You get your little Z's. Well, everybody needs a Z, so why don't you just get them at the Muppet Show? Oh my gosh, why are you...
You're boring.
Sorry?
You're boring.
Yeah, I'm so boring. I don't even know how to assemble him. Do you want your cup of tea? Oh, cup of tea?
Yes, then I have something to do with all the equipment. Yes.
Are you so bored?
Yes.
Okay, sorry. You cannot have your extra cup.
Oh, that's That's my cup.
No, it's not. There we go. Next up is this one. So I'm just going to open it. I just don't look at anything. I feel a lot of things though. Oh, that's another Miss Piggy. Oh, I haven't seen. Oh, yes, you were right.
Do you think I will have 100% right?
Maybe. So this is. I'm just gonna say it. This is going to say Miss Piggy. Miss Piggy. So here we've got your. Just a sec. You were on. Am I showing nothing? What the? Oh well. Accidents happen, I guess.
Did you take any?
Well, I think I did, but probably I did not.
Well, you have to check.
True. I'm just gonna give Miss Piggy her little magazine, and then we're just gonna check the little can. There we go. Just stand in line. Sometimes there are mountains of little Muppet baggies. Okay, next one is this one. It says Swedish chef. It has a talking tomato. Let's see if that's right. Let me see. Let me see. Ooh, woohoo! I don't know what's that called in English, but that's something.
Am I correct?
It's the Swedish chef hat. Swedish chef hat. Chef is Swedish. Wait. There we go.
Why does he have a talking tomato?
Because his food talks.
That's weird.
How do you call this thing in English though?
I have no idea.
Come on, there we go. You have two as well. Why do you always have two things? Okay, I don't know how is this supposed to be on your head. I think he's so happy. Look at him. You don't. Why are you so happy? You know you're going to be eaten, right? You're going to be cut open and cooked.
That's what my life and my purpose in life is, to be eaten.
Okay, so you went to tomato school and
Yes, and I learned that I have to be eaten once.
okay.
Then we throw in the trash.
True. Okay, there they are. And I'm going to show them to the little can. A bit closer. Cute, very cute. I don't really want to place you next to this old dude, but anyways, we're gonna.
No, I'd be bored.
Sorry?
The tomato.
Oh, you're gonna be bored. This one says beaker. No, it doesn't. It says amateur. We're gonna see if there's another.
I think it's very sad for beaker.
Okay, it's beaker. It is.
Beaker has no. He doesn't want to be Amber.
As a child, I saw this scene at Sesame Street, and it really freaked me out. You know, from Beaker, a scene with Beaker, but oh well.
I don't know.
I can't remember it really. The professor did an experiment on him, and he was just freaked me out for some reason. I can't really even remember what the experiment was. So that's Beaker free, guys. Next up is roll. Who are we missing? Animal. We're missing animal. Oh wait. Oh, why did hair wanted to be on my? I don't. Never mind. Listening to music. He's like, that sounds good. Yeah. Next up is going to be Kermit. So that's the second Kermit.
You hope.
I hope though. I don't know. Did you feel right? Oh.
And did I?
Yay! You were correct. This is a little Kermit. Are you going to be a nice Kermit and just assemble really quick? Hold it. I think this is a nicer Kermit. He just assembles really quick. There we go. So that's 2 Kermits out of 36 bags. That's really cool. Next up is going to be Swedish Chef. We're going to see how we correct. Oh, a tomato. Next up is going to be Gonzo. Where the heck is Animal? Is Natasja right though? Is this Gonzo? Yes it is. It's little Gonzo with his little pants. And
his wife.
Next baggie is going to be Fozzie. Oh my god, no. Please, Lego gods, can we please have a complete set?
The Lego gods.
The Lego gods, yeah. Can we also have a Muppet game, Lego gods?
He also has an extra microphone.
Yes, he does. Look, there it is.
Why?
I think that's one of the things that...
I think you listen to tomatoes, so why aren't they?
Yeah, my tomato was like, I don't want to be eaten, so he just ran away, and now I don't have a second tomato. So, Muddy poo-poo, you beauty poo-poo. It's going to be Rolf again. Although, if Natasja is right... Well, yeah, look at this face. He's just lying there like, sure. Just do this to me.
It's like he's buried in the sand.
What?
No, it's like he's buried in the sand.
Yes. It's a funny face. Though. Look at that. Oops. There we go. So we got 3 rolls. We got an animal. Maybe an animal.
If I'm correct.
If you're correct. Yes, you do.
So will it be a complete set?
I think we do. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, right? Wait, this is 12. Yeah. Okay. Huh? Okay. Did you just hear me like, huh? Okay. So we've got little animal's body right here. That's his body.
Are you happy with the complete set?
Well, I am, but it's not assembled right. So. Okay, that's a weird quacking sound I heard from outside.
I was like, is it the dog or is it the child?
Yeah.
So I guess it's the dog.
Oh, there we go. This is little drums. Drumsticks. Drumsticks. Mm-hmm. There we go. Oh my god, just hold it so I can show you. Look at how happy he is. Animal! Animal's so happy. He's happy. I'm happy. He's happy. There we go. Oh, okay. I don't know how to do that. Mm-hmm. I guess I am. Okay, so.
Maybe there are extra pieces.
I think so. I only didn't use this one. Oh. Now I get it. I think. Oh, I don't. I know I'm using one piece different.
You can check later.
Yeah. I'm going to check later because it's taking a while. Okay, there we go. We put it right here so you can zoom in on it. Not zoom on it.
Show the little lady can.
Oh yeah, I didn't
Show me. Show me.
But I didn't assemble his drum kit right.
Yeah, that's not.
Didn't assemble it right. Hold on. Okay, next up. Next up is an animal.
So you didn't do an animal now, yeah?
I was like really searching for animal, and I was like, oh, I guess we don't have an animal, and then we did too. Like he knew, like this one was laughing in his baggie, like, oh, you know, yeah, I'm just gonna let him hold the drumsticks. Like, it's almost a once from Harry Potter. Next up is going to be a Swedish chef. Let's see if Natasja was right. What, sorry?
And the tomato.
There is a tomato. Wow, look at this. This is felt like it just felt like really cool. I don't know what I'm saying. So we've got 3 Swedish chefs. Next up is going to be Janice. Oh, you were right, Natasja.
Of course.
Sorry?
So of course.
Next up is going to be Beaker. Yes, I said Beaker. Don't grin. It's just normal Beaker. Yes, Beaker.
He deserves to be called Beaker.
Yes. It's Beaker. You felt right. Oh God. Natasja's a master feeler of Lego. Yes, I said it. And I will say it again. And again. Okay, next up is going to be Waldor. Old man. This is going to be an old man. Oh, it's such grumpy old man. And you said, grumpy old man. His face is so funny. Next up is going to be Janice. So the Janices were scrambled. So, there's not really much going on with Janice though. It's just like pants with legsies, and then her bodice, her head, and a guitar. And that's it. Next is going to be the Mister with the chicken. The Mister with the chicken. Let's see if Natasja's right with her chicken is. Yes. Yes, there's the chicken. Chicken had delay, but we do have Gonzo with his jalapeno shirt. Next up is going to be the professor. I hope. I don't know. You're right. It's the professor.
You need to have trust in me.
Next up, when we're doing another unboxing, everybody's going to be Natasja, feel this for me. When we're like in this Lego store, feel this bag. Then next, Lego, because reasons, is going to put these in little boxes, so you can't feel anymore. Okay, so there he is. Next. Oh. Kermit! Let's see if you're right. If this is a Kermit. Kermit. Is this? No, it's not Kermit. It's not Kermit. I'm kidding. It's Kermit. So we got 3 Kermits. Look at that. I put it. Look. I made a mistake.
He's so happy.
No, I put his bodice is stupid.
That's a very lame.
A very limpy.
You know what you call it, lame.
Limpy frog. Double jointed frog. There we go. Here's your little banjo.
And his little rainbow.
And his rainbow connection. Just hold the rainbow. Look at him. He's so cute.
I love that at Epcot they put his Rainbow Connection song on the spaceship Earth.
Are you a spaceship Earth?
Yes.
Are you in the big globe?
No, my song is on the big globe.
With Dame Judi Dench?
Yes.
Oh, I want to meet that woman. I think she's cool. Okay, next one is going
Look
to...
at that.
This is going to be... Oh.
Which of the 2?
Oh. So the camera did cut away when I was, when I had too many baggies on the thing. And then I noticed I was forgetting something on the keyboard. And that is... There it is. The keys for the keyboard. I was like, look, there's a keyboard. And when I was staring at it, I was like, wait, if it's a keyboard, it needs keys. So, there it is. A little beaker. Scooter, sorry. There is Scooter. And here is his legsies. With his grumpy old torso. I just think this is so funny. Just his whole chin. I'm not gonna mention what they look like.
It feels really rare if you're feeling that bad.
You felt his chin? Oh my god. Okay, let's just assemble him really quick with his little laptop so we just can continue our search. Wait, we don't have to continue search because we already got a complete set. But... oh no, Natasja felt his chin. Okay, next. Miss Piggy. Is this going to Miss Piggy? If it is... you did right! Lexies, you did right! Yes. Okay, next up is going to be, well, there are 3 baggies left. This is going to be a grumpy old man. One of the 2.
To the T.
Yeah. A grumpy old man. Same one. Oh, there's no... look! The keyboard wanted to assemble himself. Grumpy man is going to be right here. Okay. The last 2 baggies. 2 out of 36. This one is going to be animal. Now, I'm just gonna assemble animal really quick. Ta-da! Animal! Yes.
It's cute.
Animal. It's cute. So the last baggie.
Did I have anything correct?
Well, then this one has a Swedish chef. So we will see. Is this or is this not Swedish chef? Ta-da! It's Swedish chef.
So I had 36 out of 36.
Swedish chef. Okay. Natasja, you will win the award for...
How did I win?
You win an award that's going to say Master Lego Minifigure Feeler. Or Guesser. Yes. Your award is Muppet Minifigure Guesser. So, and your reward is going to be Little Kermit.
Yeah.
There you go. There's your little Kermit. Although I'm going to need it back real quick. Yes? Okay. So this is your Kermit. So out of 36 bags, we have Janice 3 times, 3 times Rolf, 3 times the Professor, 3 times Beaker, 3 times Fuzzy, 3 times Gonzo, 3 Kermits, 3 Miss Piggies. This is Stadler?
Yes.
Yes, 3 Stadlers, 2 Watfords.
Waldorf.
The Seaman, and we got 4 Swedish chefs and 3 animals. So,
I think it's quite a good box.
I think if you would buy a box, you get 2 complete sets. Maybe 3. If Swedish Chef was the grumpy old man, then you would have 3. But I think, yeah, you should buy the whole box.
If you want a complete
set. And also if you know how to get rid of the extras. I don't know. Natasja, are you in? Do you want a complete set? Or just
Kermit?
There he is. There's your Kermit. So, if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Consider subscribing. Also tell us if you're going to buy the set, if you're going to buy a whole box like us, or if you're just going for 1 or 2 Muppets, or just 1 Muppet. Yeah, and we'll see you next time. Bye bye!